Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about escape sequences. So basically when we have a string and we want to add something like another quote, it causes a problem. As you can see, when Tom says hello, this hello right here is no longer inside of our string. So something we can do to solve that is use something called an escape sequence. Escape sequences all start with the backslash character, and then they have your escaped character. So the backslash basically says, okay, I'm going to add this character right after me, but don't recognize it within the program. Just print it out as if it was a normal string. And then we end it with this. And there are a few important ones that I think you guys should know. There's Backslash N, which is a Newline character. So Backslash N will create a new line. We'll say this is after the new line. Let's just print this out. Alright, we'll save it and run it. So Tom said hello, and as you can see, it showed both the quotation marks. And then this is after the new line, because you see, after we did the backslash N, it created a new line. Because some of these escape sequences aren't exactly letters, they're more of operations. And let's do another one. We'll say this has a tab, tab, tab. So every backslash T is a tab. We'll print this out. This has a tab, tab, tab. Something you guys should also know, whenever you print out something, like, it's going to show up on a new line with the normal print method. So as you can see, hello world. Sometimes you don't want it to do this, and it's pretty frustrating. Say you're looping through something and you want it to append right after one another rather than on new lines. The way to escape this is to say comma end equals space. So as you can see, it says hello world now, because the end is just a space. It's no longer a Newline character. And there are some other Newline escape sequences you guys can check out if you want to. I'll link this in the description. But those three are kind of the most important, I think. Another way you can do it is, say, if you have double quotes, and then you say, Tom said, with single quotes, hello, that'll be okay. But if you have single quotes separating the entire string, because you can use either, then it's not going to work. So you can use single quotes within double quotes if you want. And say for some reason you need to add a backslash, you need to add the escape sequence to one of these strings, it's just a double backslash. Alright, and that does it for escape sequences. Let's move on to the next video.